Two, one.
Wow.
Oh my god, I know what is.
OMG, he's only want to kill Pinky or they'll die.
Yeah, I know you. It's no try to teach Pinky.
Wait, what? What the heck are you doing here?
Felix!
Huh? What's happening, you guys?
Who wasn't translating to do today? This is one of the strange things that happened. If one of you gives signs of downstairs, you can't do.
Oh, I can't get back to show experience.
I told you, how is a stair that was that?
Today.
Oh, great! Hey, what did you do here? Now get out of here, this stupid Ginra who's saying the Felix, stupid heads.
Today, God, cat. You can't stay with me. Treat you were helping the head. You use that weapon.
Oh no! I can't, it's just so stupid.
It's too late. This is not your time.
No! What was that noise? Cell phones that use it, stupid outfits that go. Wait, it's not you, then we're oh my god. Oh my god, it's not me here. Guys, so please, you girls like, I'm gonna give me this screen and that. It's like, how? Wait, it's gone? Yes, it's not die. You don't need screaming. Stop screaming. Okay, that's so just stupid. How are you here? It's like it's on you.